The HoloLens is a device that extends the realities around you.
HoloLens is a head-mounted, self-contained computer that lets you see holograms in the real world.
Let's let people create their own holograms.
What can we do now with holograms that we couldn't before? And we don't know all the answers yet. And there's just tons of blue sky ahead of us.
As soon as you can change somebody's understanding, then they can change the way they see the world.
It just totally changes the relationship between the creator and their creation.
It's just amazing. We're going to radical collaboration. It is completely changing the way people actually approach design.
It's going to push us in ways that we weren't pushing ourselves before.
What excites me the most is what people will do with this technology, what they will build. That's where all the real surprises are going to come from.
We're on the cutting edge of this becoming the way people consume media and create media. I'm just so excited to watch that progress.
This is going to be a big technology movement going forward. It's going to change everything.
This is the first movement, which is the down like that, and then goes across the hand, and then they kind of combine to recreate the movement of the thumb. So it's completely kind of flexible. It's all 3D printed in one unit, same as this piece. This is 3D printed resin, and it has Teflon tubes similar to a bike brake, which then connect to the two motors here. It's been overwhelming the amount of people who have contacted me from the prosthetics community that see potential in this piece of work to help them in some way. Because that was the goal of it as well, was for me as a designer to properly understand prosthetics and how it feels to wear one so that I could better design prosthetics.
This is the Kudrone mini drone. It's a unique palm-sized quadcopter that captures crisp 4K image, HD 1080p, and panoramic photos. And what's more, the Kudrone pilots conveniently and effortlessly through your smartphone. With GPS and vision positioning, it will follow you wherever you go. At only 3 ounces, its compact and lightweight design allows you to take it with you anywhere. You can even set the Kudrone to follow you and track you, so you can capture that perfect ride. Infrared and sonar sensors let you fly, even indoors. Kudrone's advanced 4K camera, positioning system, and internal balancing technology combine for precision hovering. Get that perfect shot, video, or selfie every time. Take it up a notch with a 360 spin for aerial panorama photos. And the live stream technology allows for instant sharing. The Kudrone mini drone. Power, precision, performance.
Hey neighbour, just wanted to drop by. Did you date her? Is she nice? Is she beautiful? Introducing Knops, the world's adjustable hearing control. Don't like what you hear? Turn it down. Want to hear more? Turn it way up. Knops is a solid and patent-pending design that evolves around the concept of a revolutionary volume adjustment system. With Step 1, you can hear everything crystal clear at full volume. Step 2 is perfect for slightly noisy environments. Step 3 has a state-of-the-art acoustic music filter. With Step 4, you can totally isolate yourself from your environment. Hearing damage is irreversible. Knops takes care of your ears. Knops is developed by a young startup company based in Amsterdam. Two of them, Gwen and Quintin, already have a successful ear protection company called Thunderplugs, which is sold in a whopping 26 countries worldwide. The other creative masterminds are Arjun and Richard, who add cutting-edge innovation and design into the mix. Together they form the creative backbone of Knops, an analog adjustable hearing solution that is adaptable to every situation, from concert to exam, from festival to construction work. Knops will be available in various colors and trims to perfectly suit your own style. Knops, control your volume.
In video games, even virtual reality, you are merely a player in a world that is not your own. SuperSuit lets you become you in a world limited only by your imagination. Forged from technology light years away, powered by the energy inside you. Get ready to dawn. The SuperSuit. SuperSuit is the world's first wearable gaming platform and uses new sci-fi technology to communicate suit to suit, so they work anywhere. The Super Vest is its power core. It lights up, makes sound, and has haptic feedback letting you feel when you get hit. The Super Glove is the tool to activate special abilities. Its engaged gesture technology gives you the power to unleash shockwaves, generate force fields, and much more. Inside every suit is a special Super Bot, which act as allies boosting your defense, zap your opponents, or be the goal of the game. Stocked full of a variety of games at launch, gives SuperSuit the ability to be experienced single or multiplayer. Like in SuperSuit's take on Capture the Flag, the suit's bots become goals sought after by opposing team members. And in its flagship strategy game, Robin Hood, players use the SuperSuit's give and take features to steal resources from the rich team and give them to the poor team. With SuperSuit, the more you play, the more powerful you become. Instead of leveling up a character, you level up, rewarding you with new powers and gestures as your abilities increase. And tracking those powers is done in the app, where you can monitor current level, compare scores and active minutes, and download new games. Inside SuperSuit exists a new world of gaming. Get ready to unlock your potential. Get ready to don the SuperSuit and live the game.